When you said the stories collapse, right? So there is no more self-talk. Is that a big milestone?
Yes, that is the intense feeling. There is no self talk, there is no argument going on inside, no debate. It's an absolute zero level. You know, when I talk about there is no upswing and no downswing, it's a zero level graph. That is what it is. Yeah. And remember, if a story comes up, it is a Mara attack from the past, because story is always something that I fed into in the past, a label I created. It might come up as a memory, as a thought. Yeah. And then just seeing that also gets wiped away. The continuous wiping away creates a state of zeroness inside. So the whole argument, debate, criticism, prejudice, decision, like, dislike, everything collapses. None of this is there. Yeah. Not even praising, not even criticizing. Nothing is there. Yeah. There's a zero line. Attempt to be with that zeroness. What doesn't want to be with that? That false I that comes up. Yeah, and it's only a habit pattern. Recognize. I have to only rid myself of that habit pattern of the false I. It's not even true. It's just an illusory idea. Yeah, empty it out. Empty out the contents. Empty out the center, and you will come to that intense feeling of no I. It's very hard to explain this intense feeling. That's why Atmananda left it at the word intense feeling. It's very hard to explain how you are yet you are not. That is that emptying out the contents of the center. I am yet I am not. Somewhere at the periphery there is something happening, but it's not me. And that's the natural state. You'll feel so peaceful at that zeroness that you'll understand why he called it that it is your natural state. Yeah. So don't rush through this. Just be. It's not that you don't know. All of you've had the glimpse of this. It's just that the I, me, mine is so dominant with its stories that it does not let you see the truth. The truth is there all the time. The rasa keeps wiping away. It's right in front of me. But this I, me, mine does not permit me to see this. It's blurring my vision. So that's why I'm saying marinate in this for some time. That is why we take an exam, because that seeing the whole chapter 1 through 9 flow one into the other and finally coming again into the rasa. When you see it in words, you're kind of taming the mind, now stop your gimmicks. I'm done with you. I see through all your gimmicks. Earlier, I was silly, not intelligent enough. I couldn't see through your gimmicks. But now I do. And that's how it gets tamed. So marinate in this knowledge some. Yeah, you need some marination. Yeah.